What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Focal 100 series LCR in the wall. You can see the guys are doing work right now. It's a very simple process if you just do it right the first time. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe down below. If you would like to purchase this product, we have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. Let's go! Alright guys, so this is the cutout template. Essentially, you just put it on the wall like this and then trace out your line. You want to make sure that you're not going to run into a stud. So you can see Aaron has already cut this hole and he's just trimming it a little bit right now. But then you connect your speaker terminals after you cut the hole. You can just use a sheetrock saw, a manual one like he's using here. Follow the line, and then after you're done, see these little toggles right here? They're gonna pop out and grab on to the sheetrock. And right up underneath here, you'll see you use a screwdriver to do that right here, here, and so on. We'll show you in just a second. Yeah. Level? All right, so right now we just push the speaker into the wall and we checked for level. Again, we want to make sure everything is clean and perfect. So he's going to go ahead and tighten down those little screws. And you want to be real careful not to over torque it. It doesn't take much to pop that plastic tab off, and once you do that, you are screwed. Perfect. Good work, Aaron. Working on the same thing over here. Getting it done. So you guys can see that one little corner right there. There's like basically paper on the outside of the sheetrock, and whenever you're cutting, sometimes as you're getting right to the end, it can pull off like that. So that'll just have to be touched up. But other than that, install's perfect. We're going to go ahead and pivot that tweeter in towards the inside of the room because high frequency audio does travel line of sight. We want it to be as clean as possible. So now that it's pivoted inward, we're going to stick the magnetic grill over the front. Like that. And these grills are paintable. If you guys would like to paint them, make sure you do it properly. I can't tell you how many of these grills get messed up every year. Like hundreds, no lie. So you got to make sure that you take the time to do it right. What I recommend is if you're going to be DIYing it, is use spray paint, because spray paint is super thin, and do it very slow. Like I don't care if it takes 10 coats, just do it nice and slow so that it doesn't clog up those pores. If not, hire a professional, guys. All right, well that does conclude my video of the 100 series in-wall LCR installation. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase this product, we are authorized as a nationwide Focal direct dealer. We would be thrilled to earn your business. Give us a ring and show your support. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.